Hello everyone, look at my dog. I complain him and he feel upset, like he's sad. And after I do, like I didn't care him. And look what he does. So cute. Oh, Rocky. Rocky, you love me? You want to say sorry to me? Hmm? Sorry, mama. Sorry, mama. Sorry, mama. Kita. He was sad. My dog, I never hit them, but I give love so much to them. I give love so much to all of them. And that's why I just complain or change voice a little bit, and they will know that and they will understand that I'm not happy what they do, and 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 he realizing that I upset because he want to fight with another dog here, the boy, and that's why I complain him, and he feels sorry because I say to him like fige, like go away, and he feels sorry. That's why he did like you see at the beginning. Naxi Rocky? Bravo. I forgive you right now. Bravo. And this one sleep.